All right, we have a situation here where our subject is mic'd up, but we are not getting good, clean audio.
Shop to help promote education specifically for his.
You can hear her, but there's a lot of the extraneous noise from the environment. So we're going to actually take the audio that was recorded on the Rode Wireless Go, which I have right here, and we're going to synchronize those. I'm going to do this by dragging her clip over and creating our sequence. I like to just drag that down a little bit so there's a little bit of gap at the beginning and the end. And now I'm going to come to the audio file and drag it over to track 2. You'll notice that those things are not synchronized.
Grow in their leadership.
All right. So what we're going to do is highlight both of those. I'm going to right click and I am going to go to synchronize. Here you will see that there's a little dot, and next to audio, I'm going to click OK. And now everything just shifted. That's because Premiere has found the sound from this clip and the sound on this clip where those two things match, and it has put them together. I'm going to drag this down, I'm going to drag that, kind of trim it, and now I can go all the way back to the beginning. Let's just zoom in a little bit. And you can see that our stuff is going to line up a little bit better. The issue is if I play it like this,
Students can benefit from.
You still are hearing all of that extraneous noise. Since it's now synced up, I could drag this up here and
During Hope meetings, the students
replace it, and that's going to be nice and clean. And that's what I'm actually going to do in this case. But if for some reason I was like, oh, I want to keep some of that background noise
fundraiser.
So that I can make it, have that natural sound there. I could leave that and lower the volume on this clip and raise the volume on this clip. In this case, I'm good with the background noise level.
They talk about.
But I need to up her level there. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to audio gain and normalize max peaks. I'm going to set that just to -6. That's a good volume for people when they are talking. So here we are.
Especially Hispanic students can benefit from.
All right, so that's pretty good. One more thing that I'm going to show you to do here is we're going to go up to Window, we're going to go to Workspaces, and I'm going to go into, actually, I'm not even going to do the audio workspace on this. I could, but an easier thing is just to check the audio track mixer. And I'm going to come over here, do the little drop down arrow, and on track 1, which is where her audio is, I'm going to do a drop down. I'm going to go to amplitude and compression. I'm going to click multiband compressor. I'm going to double click on that. And then where it says presets, I'm going to click broadcast because that's what we're trying to do is create a broadcast quality audio file. And now when I hit play,
or experiences that students, especially Hispanic students, can
that has made a significant difference. So now we have the synchronized audio from the recorder, synchronized with the audio from the actual video. So we have the best video, the best audio. And now with the multiband compressor, we have improved that even more. So I am ready to export. Thank you for watching. Hope this has been helpful.